Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change featured video on YouTube. In order to change the featured video, you have to open the YouTube Studio first. Let's check it out. We are going to start by going to your channel dashboard. Now here you can see the featured videos. Now go to channel customization. In the channel customization section, you can see the featured videos here in the featured section. Now go to Add section. From here, you can remove the featured video or add a new one. Let me show it to you again. Just tap on the three dots and you will get the option of removing a video or adding a new video. And that's pretty much it. Now you know how to change or remove featured video. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.